Okay, so this question looks like it's going to be a simplified question. There really isn't anything to simplify in the question itself, but if we check out the answer choices, we can see that we can definitely simplify these answer choices. All right. So the question just asks which equation has no solution. So no solution literally means that the variables or variable cancels out. If we had a system of equations, I could say variables cancel out, but in this case, we just have a single variable. So the variable cancels out. So I'm going to simplify each of these answer choices, and maybe you already see the answer. But I'm going to simplify these. Oh, I'm sorry. Variable cancels out, and you're left with a false statement. That's important as well. It's not just about the variables crossing out or canceling out. So let's see here. If I were to simplify choice A, I'd subtract x from both sides. I'd end up with 0 equals 1. That is a false statement. 0 does not equal 1. Therefore, A must be the correct answer. But let's go through the rest and see exactly what else could have come up from the other options here. When I combine like terms for choice B, I would end up with negative x equals positive 2, which would be x equals negative 2. Nothing wrong with that. So that's not a no solution situation. We're actually getting a solution. So B is not the correct answer. Choice C, I would subtract x from both sides, subtract 1 from both sides. And in this case, we do get the variable canceling out, but what we're left with is 0 equals 0. And 0 equals 0 is a true statement, right? So we're not left with a false statement. So C, for that reason, is not the correct answer. Choice D, when I combine like terms, I'll just show it on this one, subtract 2x, and I'm going to minus 1 and minus 1. So here I get negative x equals positive 1, and therefore x is equal to negative 1, which again is a solution. We're looking for the answer choice that gives us no solution. That's why choice D is gone. So again, choice A is correct because the variable x cancels out, right? Minus x, so that's gone. I end up with 0 equals 1, and 0 equals 1 is not a true statement, right? It's a false statement. Therefore, choice A is the correct answer.